The support of Anioma's creation, the system of the Southeast, or the creation of Anioma's state will be part of the systems of the Southeast. Another president, another president, another president. It's as the sisters of the Southeast.
Spotify Premium lets you take more control of the party. From ad-free listening to offline downloads, you can make every day and every place personal DJ set. Tune in to 3 free months now and cancel anytime. Tap the banner to learn more.
Wanna open, I make some enter here. Make some enter here, maybe two, maybe one day here, day here.
Yes, because we are wrongly bounded in that state. Yes. We are not Edo people. Yes. We are Anioma people. Yes. They call us Owibo. Yes. They call us Owika. Yes. And we are ready to answer that Owibo now. Yes. To be created in Southeast. Yes. We are wrongly bounded in Edo state. Yes. There is a national boundary that put Igbaki in Anioma state. Yes. We don't have any boundary with our local government in Edo state. Yes. We are not like, we don't speak the same language. No. Our culture is different. Yes. Our tradition is different. Yes. What are we doing there? Nothing. When they created Edo and Delta in 1991, the people of Uwanda, who is share boundary with, they rejected the Igbaki because the Igbaki is Igbo community. Yes. They say we are not part of them. Yes. So why is Edo state not to be part of them? Yes. The Igbaki is Anioma. Yes. The Anioma state. Yes. So we start to be the number 6 state in the Southeast. Yes. Yes.
Power.
This is a proper
Anioma people are happy to unite with our Igbo brothers in the South. Power.
Because the first crew that was so we cannot deny
Power.
Anioma State.
Ibanka part of Anioma State. No one will separate Ibanka from Anioma. Ibanka is Igbo. I won't be Anioma. I won't do one. I won't Igbo. Ibanka from Anioma State. Power. Anioma State for Southeast. We are Igbo people. Nah. I'm not a believer. I'm an Igbo boy. Anioma State for Southeast.
People they call me Oweka.
They call us Oweka.
Oweka.
I'm a proud to be an Igbo man.
I'm an Igbo man.
I'm an Igbo man.
Anioma in general, we are here to make a statement. We need a state of our own. This is a fight that our forefathers started before the war. Because somewhere in Yoruba state that comprises of our people that find themselves within the Yoruba state. With your people, they were forced to adopt the will of the media. Today, you want today.
Elder Boyogu, Anioma State for Southeast. Anioma State for Southeast. Anioma State and the Southeast.
They don't nominate ambassador, they give her the Shakiri. They don't nominate federal minister, they give her to I'm from Ibanka, we are not in Edo State. We want to go to Anioma State. We want to go to Anioma State. I'm from Ibanka. My name is Ifa Inshuku. I'm not Edo State. I'm from Anioma State.
I Bundigo.
Yes, no.
Hey.
Almighty.
Ambassador Judu Bekile. Ajesa.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my Igbo brother.
Anioma State for Southeast. Ibanka is part of Anioma State. It's unstoppable. It's unstoppable. Unstoppable. Yes, so.
This education.
I greet you, Anioma for life. Kudos to Anioma straight.
The lights of Anioma State. The movement for the emancipation of Anioma Nation.
Anioma State for Southeast. Anioma as the sixth Southeast state. We support Anioma State to be the sixth Southeast state. Anioma is Igbo. We are Igbo people. We want Anioma State. Umani want Anioma State. Ika want Anioma State. Oshimiri and another want Anioma State. Ibanke want Anioma State. Iru want Anioma State. The indigenous Igbos in Edo State want Anioma State. Anioma is Igbo. Anioma State for Southeast. Yes.
Anioma State in the Southeast.
Anioma State in the Southeast.
Anioma State in the Southeast.
We are Igbo.
Anioma State in the Southeast. Mr. President, listen to us. Listen to us. Anioma State will bring peace and equality in the Southeast. Anioma State will bring peace and tranquility to Nigeria. A vote for Anioma State in the Southeast is a vote for development. It's a vote for peace. It's a vote for one Nigeria. It's a vote for inclusiveness. It's a vote for unity. It's a vote of the Igbo race. It's to show that the Igbo race is one. And Anioma State is the bride. Anioma Kweno. Anioma Kweno. Anioma Kwezero.
It's a win-win situation. Go America, go New York. Are they not the same thing? Go America, go New York. Not be the same thing.
Yes, same thing.
Are we here? Yes. Are you sure? Yes. Are you sure? Yes. They won it.
Open them, I beg. Open them.
You go free for here. I know if you go this thing, oh my phone. You get closer. Don't worry. You have to go finish.
Hello. Sound check. 1 2. Sound check. 1 2. Hello. Yeah.
Raise your banner. Raise your banner.
Okay, His Excellency, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborowere, the Executive Governor of Delta State, ably represented here by a senior government official here, the Chief of Staff. Okay, thank you, sir. We are a coalition of Anioma youth, Ndi Anioma, drawn from the 9 local government areas of Delta State, specifically Delta North. We are also joined here by our Igbo brothers, the Ika-speaking part of those states, the Ibanka community, Iru, and several other communities that are Ika-speaking. We are here because it's no longer news that the agitation for Anioma has been on. The recent agitation per se has been on. And we are here to register our support, to tell not just the world watching us now, but to register our agitation to His Excellency, because we believe that irrespective of the constitutional role given to governors, as far as state creation is concerned, we know that governors play vital political role. So we are here to say, Your Excellency, we, your people, we have decided to say our association with Delta State, which began far ago. Our association has been on since the Western region. Our association has been on, it moved to the Midwest region, to Bender State, and to Delta State.
Power! Holy Ghost! Fire! Anioma State for Southeast. Anioma State must be actualized. Anioma State for Southeast. Zone Anioma State to the Southeast. We want to be with our Igbo brothers. Ibanke are part of Anioma State. Iru are part of Anioma State. The indigenous Ika people in those states are part of Anioma State. We support the Igbo State to we want to be with our South brothers. Anioma is Igbo land and territory.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are calling on all the legislative stands, all the local government chairman, the house member, our senators, our rep members, our royal fathers, all the councillors. We say no more. Join hands together without Southeastern leaders to get this Anioma State turn into reality. One day, Anioma State is how we are talking for. I know my